It's tool time, so here we go. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to use a Harbor Freight Grommet Installation Kit. The kit's pretty simple. It comes with the bottom grommet tool. The top grommet tool comes with about 50 grommets. These are brass looking ones. And it comes with a hole punch for your tarp. Comes with instructions. It's pretty simple. So all you're going to need is a tape measure, a marker if you want to mark the spots on your tarp. I'll show you a little extra that I do with some Gorilla Tape, and probably a block of wood. That's about all you're going to need for this. Oh, and a hammer, of course. What we're going to do is, I don't have a plastic tarp that I'm going to be doing this on. Instead, we're going to be making grommets that look like this. This is a bag that comes off of, it came with my boat cover. So I'm going to make grommets about 2 foot apart on my boat cover. That way I can put bungee cords or something on here just to hold it down so the wind doesn't blow it off. So you can see when you're finished, you come with a grommet that looks like this. So let's show you how to do it. First off, you're going to want to get your stuff together. You're going to want to take your hole punch. Now you want to find the location where you're going to make it. In this case, here's the middle seam. So I'm just going to start just off to the outside of the middle seam. I like to take some Gorilla Tape, and I'll get about a 2-inch square piece. The reason I do this is because I want to give a little reinforcement to this tarp. So I'm going to tape this guy on here. I'm just going to take like my grommet tool and get the tape set in there pretty good. On the flip side, I'm going to do the same thing. Rub it down just like this with my tool. Next thing I'm going to do is grab the hole punch tool that looks like this. It has a hole in it, sort of sharp on the edge. Going to pick the spot that I want my grommet to be. In this case, I'm going to do it just inside the seam. Turn it over so you can see. Going to do it just inside where the seam is on the tarp. I'm going to take my hammer. About 4 or 5 times, and you can see the tool is gonna cut a hole in there. Next, I'm going to lay the bottom part of the grommet thing down with the flange facing up. I'm going to use the main grommet part and put inside there. Then I'm going to get the top grommet part, fit over top of the hole, just like that. Now I'll take this grommet top tool, put down in there, and we got her done. That's all you need, and that's how you use a Harbor Freight Grommet Installation Kit. Take you about 2 minutes for each one of them. Good luck with yours.